But what if I told you that the food we eat plays a significant role in protecting our brain? So let's explore the science behind our brain health and discover the #1 food that will help prevent dementia and other neurogenic problems.
Do you know that one vegetable is enough to safely steer you away from cognitive decline? Millions of people are unknowingly heading toward cognitive decline as of today, and by the time they notice the signs, it's often too late to reverse the damage. However, modern research suggests that with the right nutrition, you can slow down or even prevent cognitive decline. Many research studies prefer a plant-based diet, especially vegetables, when it comes to longevity and good health. Vegetables can offer a wide range of benefits that support overall well-being. They can play a crucial role in strengthening the immune system, improving digestion, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Simply put, vegetables can ensure good health, helping to nourish both the body and mind. In today's video, we'll explore the endless benefits of green vegetables and discover how a single vegetable has all the superpowers to save us from diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. Not only that, we will also share healthy recipes that will make the use of this miraculous vegetable more convenient. But before we reveal this incredible vegetable, it's important to understand what Alzheimer's disease and dementia are. Dementia is a broad term for a decline in cognitive function that interferes with daily life. At the same time, Alzheimer's is a progressive brain disorder characterized by the buildup of abnormal proteins, leading to nerve cell damage and brain shrinkage. They primarily affect memory and gradually impair other cognitive abilities, eventually making independent living difficult. While dementia can result from multiple causes, Alzheimer's accounts for 60 to 80% of cases, making it the leading cause of age-related cognitive decline. But before we continue, this content is provided for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider with any questions about your health or a medical condition. Now that we understand the impact of dementia and Alzheimer's disease, let's unveil the one incredible vegetable that may support brain health and explore how its nutrients can play a role in cognitive function and neuroprotection. So, what is this brain-saving vegetable? The answer might surprise you. Leafy greens, especially kale. Alzheimer's and dementia are no longer rare conditions affecting only the very elderly. Cases have skyrocketed in recent decades, and scientists warn that the numbers will only continue to rise. But why is this happening? One major reason is lifestyle changes.
Dementia is the most feared condition of later life. There's a common misconception that we have no control over whether or not we develop dementia, but the good news is that although Alzheimer's may be incurable, at least it is preventable. There's an emerging consensus that what's good for our hearts is also good for our heads, because clogging of the arteries inside the brain with atherosclerotic plaque is thought to play a role in the development of Alzheimer's dementia.
Our modern diets are filled with processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats, all of which contribute to brain inflammation and oxidative stress, two key factors in cognitive decline. Decades ago, people ate more whole, nutrient-dense foods, which naturally supported brain health. Today, many diets lack the essential vitamins and antioxidants needed to protect the brain. The brain, like any other organ, needs the right fuel to function properly. People are living longer than ever before, but without proper brain-nourishing habits, cognitive decline becomes more likely with age. Research has shown that people who eat leafy greens regularly have significantly slower cognitive decline compared to those who don't. A study published in Neurology found that consuming just one serving of leafy greens per day could make your brain function 11 years younger. That means if you're in your 50s, your brain could be performing like someone in their 40s, just by adding this simple food to your diet. Nutrients in green vegetables like kale can work together to reduce brain inflammation, improve neuron communication, and protect against cognitive decline. And the best part? You don't need to eat massive amounts. Just one serving a day, whether in a salad, smoothie, or sautéed with your meals, can make a huge difference over time. Still not convinced? Think about cultures with leafy green-rich diets, like the Mediterranean diet, have some of the lowest rates of Alzheimer's in the world. Their diets emphasize fresh vegetables, healthy fats, and minimally processed foods, providing their brains with potentially long-lasting protection.
You might be wondering, how does the food we eat impact our brains? Well, the research has shown that certain dietary patterns have a profound effect on our brain health. For example, the Mediterranean diet, which is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, has been linked to a lower risk of cognitive decline.
So, if you're serious about keeping your brain sharp, focused, and free from decline, start making leafy greens a daily habit with kale leading the way. It can and be the simplest yet most effective way to protect your brain for life. But before we move on, if you are looking to dive deeper into the top drinks to prevent cognitive decline and reduce inflammation, be sure to subscribe to the QuickTime newsletter linked below. Each week, we share expert-backed tips, delicious recipes, and actionable steps to help you live longer and feel your best delivered right to your inbox. Now that we know that kale can be so much powerful for brain health, let's understand how it works.
For people concerned with cognitive decline, here are 3 key ones. First, kale starts with K, as in vitamin K, which helps improve our ability to remember words. Second, kale offers flavonoids, which are antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, both of which specifically improve brain health.
One of the biggest drivers of Alzheimer's and dementia is chronic inflammation in the brain. Over time, inflammation damages neurons, making it harder for your brain to process and store information. Kale is packed with antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which can actively reduce inflammation, protecting your brain from long-term damage. Moreover, studies have linked vitamin K to improved memory and better cognitive function. Just 1 cup of kale contains over 600% of your daily vitamin K needs. This vitamin can play a crucial role in brain cell function and has been shown to slow cognitive decline in aging adults. If you want to stay sharp well into your later years, vitamin K is a must-have nutrient, and kale delivers it in abundance. Ever wonder how some people can think faster and recall information effortlessly? That's because of lutein, a powerful antioxidant found in kale. Research suggests that higher levels of lutein in the brain can lead to better processing speed and cognitive flexibility. It works by protecting brain cells from oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to dementia. And kale's benefits do not just end there. Your brain requires a constant supply of nutrients to function at its best. One essential nutrient is folate, which kale can provide in high amounts. Folate helps in neurotransmitter production, ensuring that your brain cells communicate efficiently. Low folate levels have been linked to mental fatigue, brain fog, and even depression, all early warning signs of cognitive decline. Kale has another significant ingredient known as sulforaphane, a compound that can help detoxify harmful substances from the brain and support the growth of new neurons. Kale is part of the Brassica family, and if you're serious about keeping your mind sharp, clear, and Alzheimer's free, adding it to your daily diet is one of the smartest choices you can make. Now that you know kale's working mechanism, the next step is to include it in your diet effectively. It's not just about eating kale, it's about eating it at the right time, in the right quantity, and in the most brain-boosting ways. Studies suggest that eating at least 1 serving, about 1 to 1.5 cups of raw kale or 1/2 cup cooked, per day, can significantly slow cognitive decline. If you're new to kale, start with 3 to 4 servings per week and gradually increase to daily consumption. You can add kale to your breakfast to help boost brain function early in the day, keeping you mentally sharp, or you can take it in your lunch meal. A midday serving helps sustain energy and focus. You can also eat it with dinner to provide your brain with antioxidants that can support overnight cellular repair.
So, if you're determined to fight for your mind, then bring out the heavy artillery. Drop a nutrition bomb on yourself. Eat some kale.
If you're looking to add kale to your diet for maximum brain health benefits, the good news is that it's incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. Whether blended into a smoothie, tossed into a salad, or lightly sautéed, kale can be a delicious and nutrient-packed addition to your daily meals. You can start your day with a brain-boosting kale smoothie, perfect for breakfast. Blend 1 cup of fresh kale leaves with 1 banana for natural sweetness and potassium, 1/2 cup of blueberries rich in antioxidants, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds for an omega-3 boost, and 1 cup of water to create a nutritious drink. This smoothie can fight inflammation and support memory, giving your brain the nutrients it needs to stay sharp. For lunch or dinner, try a kale and avocado salad, which can help combine brain-healthy fats and essential vitamins. Simply chop 1.5 cups of kale, add half an avocado for healthy fats that support brain function, drizzle with 1 tablespoon of olive oil to enhance nutrient absorption, and squeeze half a lemon for a refreshing dose of vitamin C. Massage the kale with olive oil and lemon juice for about 2 minutes. This helps soften the kale, making it easier to digest while unlocking its full nutrient potential. However, if you prefer a warm dish, sautéed garlic kale is a quick and tasty option for dinner. Heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a pan and add 1 minced garlic clove, which helps improve blood flow to the brain. Toss in 1 cup of chopped kale and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until the kale is slightly wilted but still vibrant. This simple side dish is packed with antioxidants and healthy fats, making it a great addition to any meal. Incorporating these easy recipes into your daily routine can ensure that you get all the brain-boosting benefits of kale while keeping your meals both delicious and nutritious. So the takeaways are: eating balanced meals with a mix of healthy fats, lean proteins, and fiber-rich carbs can help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing insulin resistance, which has also been linked to cognitive decline. Reducing processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy trans fats helps minimize brain inflammation, keeping neurons functioning properly. Staying hydrated is just as important, and even mild dehydration can impair focus and memory, so aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Finally, mindful eating can improve digestion and ensure better nutrient absorption, giving your brain the fuel it needs to stay sharp and alert. So, that's all for how kale can protect your brain and help prevent Alzheimer's and dementia. But even with the right diet and lifestyle changes, you might still be missing a few key habits that can further boost your brain health. Something as simple as when and how you eat your meals can have a huge impact on your memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. So, join us in the next video, where we'll uncover the best eating habits to keep your brain sharp and reduce your risk of dementia, starting today.